I just realized it's a Sunday and we got nothing to do. And we got no hoes. I mean friends. Friends. It's crazy life we live in. Yeah,
0 for 2?
Yeah, you can't make that shit up now.
0 for 2 is crazy. 0 for 2 is crazy. Boy, who you say boy?
Yo, who you rep? AS. Army Studios.
Type.
You know the vibe.
Shades on Apple with the glasses, bro. Say Earth.
Yo, what is this? Oh, yeah.
You're so pretty. We're doing this sticker.
Here, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? Here again, just on the shoot, BTS of some Army Girl shit, feel me? Army Girl still. So yeah, boom, on the shoot, doing some Army shit, Army Girl still, you feel me? Nah, she just doing that for the love of the game, I swear to God. There is no type of situation you doing that thing. She just doing this for the love of the game. I mean,
Apparently girls don't like straight men.
What's my biggest dating red flag? You know what's so crazy? I was gonna say men.
So then like Batty? Like Batty boys? They said their least favorite thing is straight men. That's what Dochi said, the artist. Oh, so she's a killer? Maybe. But who's doing the bullying?
girl, she ate that. No sneak peek. Light skin, dark skin ass nigga, bro. Oh my days.
I'll walk into the sun real quick.
You wanna see me? Hold on. Nah, the flipping leaf. Oh damn, hold on, I'm gonna zoom that in.
Mamba.
Hold that. Yeah.
Exception chat. Here with my boy Ken Dizzle.
Can't do this. I don't need no mic, I think. But I do. The song is the reason I do want to have it just in case. EMP. Oh God.
Could have just said tiny and what type shit.
Oh yeah, she's also vlogging. Y'all go tap.
Cat. Yo, say hi, chat.
Y'all go tapping. Town in Antigua for me, about to go to Boba City, and then probably hit the boardwalk. Then I don't know. We can figure out some shit to do. We enjoy.
But yeah, hopefully today is more jam-packed. There's nothing to jam or there isn't anything to pack. But yeah, we'll see. We'll do the Ken. Big ass boat. My birthday is in a month. I'm on April 1. What should I do? What do people that's broke, unemployed, unmotivated? What do you do for your birthday?
Just edit the cup emoji behind all.
Bro, that ass, bro. What do young people do for their birthday other than go to dinner? I don't want to go to no goddamn dinner. You feel me? I've been going to dinners my whole life. Why I want to eat again? Nigga, fuck you. Talking about dinner. I don't want to go no dinner. Please. That's the perspective of life now. There's probably somebody that wants to be in your position. And all we done here complain.
I mean, complaining because realistically there's nothing here to do in this country.
But some people would rather be in Antigua doing nothing than in America fast paced or in other first world countries. You feel me?
I mean, true that, but bro, it's overseas. It's probably more things to like find and do, like for real. Whereas down here, we actually have to go outside and. But bro, this is a random Wednesday. Look what we are. Let's be fair. We have to find something to do.
Yeah, I think it just depends. It depends on what you like. Like if you like a slow-paced life, Antigua would be your dream destination, or most Caribbean countries for that fact would be your dream destinations, because you could just go to the beach, chill, work, and vibe. You feel me? Probably buy a boat when you're like 40 and you're chilling.
No, so random.
But if you love like fast-paced city life, you will hate this shit.
Look.
Damn. Do y'all want to see vlogs of us just doing absolutely nothing? Yo, I could really spam an everyday vlog now. It would be hard. I would have to really try to like find shit to do.
By spamming everyday vlogs, like you can post every day or you can just like vlog every day and put it up together.
If niggas fuck with vlogs and they want to see a vlog every day, nigga, I'll post every day. So it all depends on what people want or what they interact with. You know what I'm saying? If they don't want every day and they want like once a week, they gonna get once a week. Look up.
Hey, can I borrow?
You wanna borrow?
Don't bother.
Oh yeah, selling some stuff.
This is a bad no road. Right? Yeah? Like I told you, babe, me and you are the only one down here. So we recorded. And 4:35 now.
Hmm?
Yes, so I go and watch her. Badness in Antigua, yeah?
No cap. No cap. What you selling there? Merchandise.
We're selling the merchandise. We're selling
Merchandise.
merchandise. If it ain't army, it's trash. You ain't saying nothing. Get the beam, get the beam. Only who me have the privilege to get the beam for. Nobody else.
Shit just started racing, but wait, it open gates. Some gratitude, I put you in that altitude, okay? It's stuck like magic. I put you in
What one them is not right now, not right now.
How much you buying for?
That's it, 50K.
I like money on talk, man. Like, $200K.